Hello friends, my name is Mukesh Badujar and in this video lecture we are seeing the animation topic of the text tool. So text tool, we are seeing the properties for the text tool. So see, I am selecting the text tool by clicking on that, and I click on the stage. That will appear a square box for the text, and see the this text box having the three squares on that side, and this side is the circle. So I type some text, and text color will be appear from here. You, if you want to choose the text color, if you want to change the text color, select it and change the color. So that's why you have to change the color of the text. So there are some types of text. So what are the types of text? So here is the property panel. If you do not see this property panel, then go to the windows and then see here the properties, and this is the our property panel. So if it is unchecked, then you can't see. You have to check it, then you have to see the property panel. So to see the property of text, we have must to select the text text tool. So text, we have selecting our text, and next. So here you see the T, and here is the text type. So when we click on the drop down menu, so here is the static text, dynamic text, and input text. Static text is the by default text that will use to show the text in the animation or in web pages or anything. Means it is not changeable text. It is static all the way. So it is, so it, here is the static text. If we select the dynamic text, so dynamic text means we have to dynamic text is used to change the text at the runtime. We have ability to change this text at the runtime. So if we use the static text, at that time we can't change it at the runtime. When while we running that animation, at the time we will not change the text. So this is the use of dynamic text. uh, Also the dynamic text area is called a field. So dynamic text area is also called a field. So here we see the if we see the dynamic text, if we see the static text, at that time we see the small square here. If we select dynamic text, that time we see small square or at bottom. And if we select input text, so no changes. And dynamic text and static apply input text are basically same, but there is the difference. Input text is used to get input at the runtime. We have to get input as the name, or enter your name, or also whatever you call it. We can send that text or to the action script, or to the database. Means we have when we running that code, our movie or our an animation, at that time we, if we use the input text, and that if I input some input text like this, so this text will be we can send to the database, or in anywhere where we want to send. So this is the input text, and this is also used to the script, the action script. The action script means we have two actions for on the clicking, what we can do. So that at that time we use these action scripts. And also, so this is the input text and other things. So here is the some properties. This is the size and width of the box. that we have to change in anywhere. From here also we can change. And here it this is the format of the word. I choose somewhat of different to see you difference. See, see the this is the text property, and this is the line spacing between that. I choose -9 or missing. See, this is the letter spacing, and then it is the superscript subscript we can use for that. If we have to write H2O, so at that time we have to write these two upper side, so we use a superscript. So see, and then here is the anti-aliasing we can use as our requirement to use this middle. We can align this to bold, italic. We can select bold, italic वगैरह, italic वगैरह, and we have to color it another. So as this way we can change. So it is also paragraph, so edit format option and other options. So this is all about the text. So in this hydraulic lecture we can see only this. So this is the text. If you have any query about what is text or types in the text, then comment me in the comment box, and on that I will tell you the you want that, what you want, so I will tell you that. So thank you for watching, and goodbye.